Hello children, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Radha Online Classes. Today I am going to take class 7th and the chapter we are doing is comparing quantities. इसकी सबसे important exercise आज हम करेंगे. उसका the very first question I have written on the board. You can see exercise 8.3 question number 1. What you have to do in this, see, tell profit or loss in the following transactions. Okay, some questions are given over here. You have to find in that many cases, in that many transaction, आपको प्रॉफिट हो रहा है या लॉस हो रहा है, ये तो पहले फाइंड आउट करेंगे. उसके बाद वन मोर थिंग यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज द प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस परसेंटेज. प्रॉफिट के बाद उसका परसेंटेज भी फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद मी. इट्स फर्स्ट पार्ट, दैट इज Gardner Shears bought for rupees 250. Gardner Shear means CP. CP is given to you. CP is rupees 250. Okay, rupees 250. And one more thing is given to you, what? Your SP. Your SP is given how much? See, it is 325, right? Now, what you can see? You can see here what is given, say, profit, CP and SP. CP is 250. ये 3 means CP और SP को जब हम compare करेंगे, what we will get, say, which is greater? SP is greater. That means क्या हो रहा है हमें? Profit हो रहा है. You know the profit formula? Yes, profit is equal to what? SP minus CP. This is equal to SP कितना है? 325 minus करेंगे 250, that is CP. What you will get? What you will get is, देखो, 5 and this is 2. 2 में से तो 5 नहीं जाएगा. 12 minus 5 is 7. So 75 rupees is your profit. आपने खरीदा था 250 में, सेल किया 325 में. आपने मीन्स गार्डनर की बात कर रहे हैं. ये गार्डनर ने खरीदा था कितने में? 250 में एंड सेल किया 325 में. तो ही गॉट अ प्रॉफिट ऑफ ₹75. लेट्स फाइंड आउट. इसके बाद हमें क्या निकालना है? प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज. तो प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज इज इक्वल टू प्रॉफिट डिवाइडेड बाय सीपी इनटू 100. राइट चिल्ड्रन? सो व्हाट इज अवर profit? This is 75. What is our CP? CP is 250. This is into 100. Right? 10 cancel. अब 5 देखो, 25 और 75 रिलेशन है. 25 3s are directly आप कट कर सकते हो. 25 3s is 75 and 3 into 10 is what? 30%. Okay, always find out profit percentage. जब भी आप find out करेंगे, don't forget to write percentage there. Okay, 30% is your profit percentage. Okay, so in this way you have to do all its parts. Let's come to second part. See children, here is your B part. Refrigerator bought for rupees itna. Bought means this is your CP. Sold, this is your SP. What is our CP? CP is 12,000, right? 12,000. And what is our SP? SP I have written what? 13,500. Right children? So this is in rupees, so write rupees also. अब देखो CP and SP, which is greater and which is more? See, more and greater is same thing, which is less and which is greater. Let's see, this is 12, this is 13. Definitely SP is more, that's why profit is there. Okay, profit का formula हमें पता है. What is that? SP में से जब हम CP को less कर देंगे, we will get its profit. Okay, then after just put the that numbers in that. So profit is equal to what? 13,500 minus 12,000. You will get what? 1,500. 1,500 is our profit. Now one more thing we have to find out, that profit percentage क्या होता है? Profit divided by CP into what? Into 100. So here we are. Profit हमारा कितना है? 1500 है. 1500 divided by what is CP? See, 12,000 is there. Then into 100. Right children? 20 cancel. 10 cancel. अब देखो ये किससे जा रहा है, 2 से नहीं जाएगा, 3 5s are 15 and 3 4s are 12. नाउ 4 इज गिवन, तो 2 से कट कर देते हैं, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So what is your answer? 5 5s are 25. 25 divided by 2. 25 divided by 2 जब करेंगे, we are getting decimal 12.5 percentage. So this is our answer. 25/2% अगर लिखते हैं, that is also correct. यार डेसिमल में इसको कन्वर्ट कर दो, you will get 12.5%. So children, in this way you have to do the questions. Let's come to its C part. See children, here is your C part. A cupboard bought for rupees this much. CP, this is your SP, sold at itna, so CP is equal to how much? That is rupees 2500, and your SP is equal to how much? Rupees 3000, which is greater. See, your SP is greater than CP. That means profit हो रहा है हमें. So profit is equal to कितना हो जाएगा? SP minus CP is how much? SP minus CP. फॉर्मूला लिखेंगे, उसके बाद इसको पुट कर दो, 3000 minus 2500, that is equal to what children? This is 500, right? Okay, now profit percentage. How you'll find out profit percentage? See, profit percentage is equal to profit upon CP into 100. What is our profit? 500 rupees का profit हुआ. CP कितना है हमारा? 2500. ओके, into 100 करेंगे, what you will get? 20 cancel, 5 5s are 25. Now 5 2s are 10 and 5 zeros are 0. What is the profit percentage? That is 20%. Right? It is so simple. Let's come to its D part, children. That is D part you can do by yourself. That is skirt bought for rupees 250. 250 rupees की स्कर्ट खरीदी और उसको सेल किया 150 रुपीज में. ओके, लॉस वाला पार्ट है ये, देख लेते हैं इसको. योर सीपी इज 250, फ्रॉक का कॉस्ट प्राइस है 250 और सेलिंग प्राइस है 150. सो व्हाट यू कैन सी, योर सीपी इज ग्रेटर देन योर एसपी. दैट मीन्स क्या हो रहा है? लॉस हो रहा है. तो लॉस इज इक्वल टू क्या होता है? Loss is equal to your CP minus SP. What is the CP? See children, CP is 250. में से लेस करेंगे 150 को, you will get 100 rupees. तो 100 rupees का लॉस हो रहा है. आप लॉस परसेंटेज फाइंड आउट कर लो. That is equal to loss divided by CP into what? 100. So this is equal to loss हमारा 100 rupees का है divided by 250. And you will get what? Multiply by 100, 1010, and okay, 5 से कट करेंगे, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10. Now cut 5 by 100, 5 2s are 10 and 0s are. So what is your answer? 2 2s are 4, 40%. Loss is 40%. So in this way you have to do question number 1. Let's do question number 2 in our next video. Question 2, 3 and onwards we'll do in our next class. Till then, goodbye children. Don't subscribe. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. That is Anuradha Online Classes. उसको subscribe कीजिए, bell icon को दबाइए so that you can get the updated videos. Okay? And this chapter is very important. So be in touch with me. Thank you and have a nice day. मिलते हैं अपनी next video में.